Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Netflix history. It's pretty quick and easy. Now, Netflix keep tracks all of the TV shows and movies that you've ever watched on Netflix. And that's how they recommended certain videos or TV shows. And that's why they'll show you continue watching this series and all of that stuff. If you want to remove that history, you can do so. However, you can do it within the Netflix app itself. So what you have to do is, you need to open up a web browser. I'm going to use Safari, but you can use Chrome as well. And we'll just go to netflix.com. You have to sign into your Netflix account here. Make sure it doesn't wish you off to the Netflix app. You stay on the web browser netflix.com here. Once you're on here, at the very top left, you have to tap on these three lines, and then you want to tap on account right under your name, and it will show your account here. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see profile and parental controls. Now there's specific one that you want to remove the history. Just tap on that one, and then you can see under it is viewing activity. We have to tap on that. Now this will show all of your viewing history on Netflix for that specific profile. You can tap that little circle with a line through it to hide that series or that episode. It says within 24 hours, this episode will no longer appear on Netflix as the title you watch, and no longer make recommendations for it. Now you can go through and one by one you can remove these. However, if you scroll to the bottom here, it gives you the option to hide all of them. So you can tap hide all, and it will remove your entire Netflix viewing history and reset all of those recommendations for that specific profile. So if you want to do it for a different profile, you just have to go to a different profiles and repeat this procedure. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.